Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a cat owner, you know how much time and effort goes into maintaining a clean litter box. But what if there was a way to keep your cat's bathroom area fresh without all the hassle? Well, today, we're talking about a game changer, the Neakasa M1 open-top self-cleaning cat litter box. Stick around, because we're diving deep into its amazing features and showing you how it makes life easier for both you and your cat. First up, let's talk about the automatic cleaning feature. The Neakasa M1 is designed to save you time and effort with its self-cleaning technology. No more scooping or dealing with dirty litter. The box automatically collects waste after each use, ensuring your cat always has a clean space to go. You'll love how it works effortlessly to remove waste and deposit it into a secure compartment, all while keeping odors under control. Pretty neat, right? The best part? It's all completely hands-off, which means less mess for you. Odor control is always a concern with traditional litter boxes, but not with the Neakasa M1. Thanks to its airtight waste compartment, odors are sealed away, keeping your home smelling fresh. The trash bag system is designed to handle everything, so you don't have to worry about any lingering smells. This trash bag system makes cleaning even easier. Just pull out the bag and you're done. No more mess, no more smells. Managing the litter box just got even easier with the Neakasa M1's app control. You can monitor the cleaning process, track usage, and even control the settings all from your phone. This is perfect for busy cat owners who want to keep tabs on their pets' bathroom habits without constantly checking the box. It's a simple and intuitive way to stay on top of your cat's litter needs, all with the tap of a finger. Another standout feature of the Neakasa M1 is its open-top design. Unlike traditional covered boxes, this design allows your cat to enter and exit easily while still providing a private, safe space for them to do their business. It's a more natural design that many cats prefer, and it helps with airflow, reducing the buildup of odors. Plus, the open-top feature makes cleaning a breeze. You can quickly access the inside for maintenance, and your cat will love the freedom it offers. If you've been considering upgrading your cat's litter box, now is the perfect time. The Neakasa M1 is currently available with a 32% discount, which is an amazing deal for all the features it offers. It's an investment in both convenience and cleanliness, and your cat will thank you for it. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to grab yours today before the offer ends. To sum it up, the Neakasa M1 open-top self-cleaning cat litter box is a total game changer for any cat owner. From its automatic cleaning and odor control to the easy-to-use app and open-top design, it's designed to make your life simpler and keep your cat happy. If you want to stay updated on more awesome pet gadgets and reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.